This guy is having a AC problem, and when the customer came to me the first time, and then I checked, I couldn't find the like quick diagnosis that I did on this car. There was not too much leak on AC. So what I did was I fill in gas and with AC oil from my machine. I can show you. Sorry, I don't have anyone to help me do the video. You see this machine, this Comfort, is a good machine. You have oil. So this is the oil. So it helped me. It helped me to quickly get to the AC leak. So what I did was I fill in gas with this oil and let him run like for 1 day and come back to me, and I fill in another oil again for checkup and run the car, and I realized there is a leak from evaporator. There is a drop leak because I have this, if you can see, this is a glass we use for checking, and with this, when you point at this, you'll see a yellow color, same like this, if there is a leak on the system. So for what I did was I use those to check on the leak, and only to realize, let me take the car up just a moment. This is the car. This car is coming like not only once, it comes so many to me with this same problem. So I'm showing you the secret. Just hold on. So you come under the car, there is a line where you drop water, like when the evaporator freeze, and then it release out water from there. Like you sorry, I just get my light. Like what I was saying, from this pipe, this is not ordinary water. This pipe, this is not ordinary water. This oil. So it shows the oil is leaking from this pipe. So now what we need to do, we need to remove the AC evaporator, and then you can see some other Pajero is having same problem, and I have another 2-3 Pajero down there, same issue. And you see behind the machine this Texa machine, so it insert the oil automatically in the system, in the car. So you can see the Texa is very good. So when I use it like automatically filling in gas, so he do all the necessary tests and vacuum and checking AC leak for me. So I only use the eyeglass and the torch just to view if there is a leak, like a joint, because there you find there is a joint there, so there will be a ring, so might be leaking, or this other one, or the condenser is found in front of the car. Just the first component is condenser, same almost like radiator, we call it condenser. So beside, you can see guys, this is the beginning of the dashboard remover, and you can start seeing the evaporator cover, but we still have to remove all this dashboard. Just be patient, I'll show you everything. Guys, remember I promised to show you how the work will be going. Dashboard remover. So you see, straight away, that's where the evaporator is being hidden. It's behind this component, so I still have to remove all these wires and these irons. So at the end of the day, I'll still show you how completed when I remove the dashboard down, how the car look like. Some people will be wondering if this car will ever move again. So this is the component. Yes guys, as you can see now, I've removed complete, and I've taken out the evaporator. You can see the leak now, the oiling leak that I said it was coming from the evaporator. And this is the new evaporator I'm going to replace. And you see how I need to open the condenser, and this the components you can see so displays. And now I'm going to refit the new evaporator. Now welcome back guys for the feeding of evaporator. I'm through with the feeding, and now what we are going to do now is to the filling of the gas into the car. So I'll show you how I use my own tools to fill, but I know probably you might have different brand of tool to fill in gas in this system. It's okay, and I use this is a manual system. You can use this one you use manually, and it's physically for those people who understand easy. When they see something like this, I believe they understand. So we use 134.E to fill into the car, but for me I use Texa machine. The gas is already been fit into the machine. So what it does is that the machine vacuum and do leak test and do recovery of AC gas and fill in gas into the car. So it's a very nice machine. I recommend if you want to get an AC machine, you can get one for yourself. It's very good, though expensive. So the UV is 5 milli is the content of this oil, and I can show you behind the machine this the UV, and this the content of same to UV oil. So it insert into the car system, and if there is a leak, you use this and you go through the vacuum lines into the car system, and then you can easily see the leak. The leak will be like in the face of yellow, like this color in the system. Like for example, if there is a leak coming from this joint, you can easily find it through this tools. So to complete the test, in settings. So we keep going the vacuum lines, high pressure and low pressure. So I'm going now to take OK, and for what is going to happen is like this: going to recover any air in the system, do vacuum, and then do test, AC test, and insert in gas. So this might take 40 minutes to do this recycling. So I'll be back.